हमारा काम है। रेस इट, ब्रेक इट, फिक्स इट एंड रिपीट। बैटरी प्लग इन तो नहीं किया।
Ready to race, Ashraf uncle? We're gonna go a beast of a time. Battery is still good.
टेक ऑफ कर देना जब हो तो। What do you say?
Yeah, I agree.
वो यूं जाएगी। Go go go.
Good. Morning 2, stage 2. How are you feeling, Ashraf uncle? Gonna knock him dead? Oh yeah. You're at midpoint, sir. Midpoint, the fantastic race officials. That's the mid break. Gonna have a good old time. Hope we don't get lost. car couldn't keep up. The men kept going. What happened, Ashraf uncle?
I lost my nut of the ball joint, so we just stopped.
One bolt brought you down. That's some hard luck, yeah. So what I wanted to ask you, you've been rallying for like more than 35 years now. One of the first people to rally outside of Pakistan. You've won practically every rally. So when you turned up with challenges like these, right? Like all the young people know you have to have that instinct. But how do you deal with it when you're up with this diversity? What's your internal process?
Well, basically, practice, and it's been 35 years, as you said, so long time in the rallying. But last 4-5 years I couldn't rally because I was busy with some business. So now, after 5 years, I was trying to complete this finish. We finished 3 stages. Didn't do fantastic, but completed them. So this track I was trying to do at a good speed. I just wanted to check where I stand. So because this was a smaller and it was like end of the rally. So, but unfortunately, but we'll check it on the because they do a ghost thing on the logger. So we will know until here, how much speed were we, or so we will know it after maybe 1 or 2 weeks. I think we were doing good until here. So
that's wonderful. Like despite being knocked out, after like coming back after a while, you're still positive, you're still smiling, and you're like, yeah, theek hai, dekhenge what went wrong.
It happens. It's happened. It happens. You have to have that in you
to get back up and get on the horse.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to me, Ashraf uncle. You fantastic race. The other racers are lucky you're not in the running anymore. Inshallah, next time we'll get a car that can keep, we'll make sure the car can keep up.
Yeah, inshallah.
क्या हो रहा है ज़ुबैर उस्ताद?
पेट खराब हो गया।
खोल यार, तू
नहीं खोल रहा
खोल।
भाई, ये ऊपर मारेगा भाई, मैं नहीं खोला जो आप बोले, ये मार देगा अभी, वरना
तो मैं मुंह जल रहा है।
मुंह पे मार देगा ये, वरना